email extractor software, done for you system, product selection, and coaching program to help you make at least 7 figures online. Okay, so welcome everyone. Today I'll show you everything that I just told you. You can start making money from the first day of using this software, and particular step that I'm going to tell you so that you can go and start making money. Okay, so whatever you are doing, just stop everything and listen to this video. Okay, so this video is not only about email extractor, verifier, or email sender. It has more to do with the method which I'm going to tell you. Okay, so first of all, go and get an email extractor software. Okay, so in order to get the fastest email extractor software, which also has 24/7 support team to support you if you have any issues. They also have an email verify tool and also bulk email sender software. Okay, so now this is the email extractor software. If you have your own products, that's good. If you do not have your own products, you do not know what to sell, what is your niche or topic, okay, just go with this make money online or work at home online jobs niche. Okay, so you just have to type in keywords related to make money online, or let's say work from home. Okay, so this email extractor software can also extract emails from Yelp, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, but we won't be using these features because we have this feature right now. Okay, so we need only features where we can search by keywords, or you can also insert a URL and extract email addresses from particular websites, URL, etc. Okay, so now just insert the keywords and click the start button. Okay, so now once you click the start button, you can also select the location from where you need the email addresses. Okay, so you can choose the location United States or whichever country you want to target. Okay, yes, everyone targets United States because I get most of the sales from United States and everybody else does the same, most probably. Okay, now this software will go and extract emails, highly targeted emails. Okay, so it will take some time for the software to start extracting emails. Okay, so once it starts extracting emails, it will be a faster process. Within like 2 to 3 hours, you'll get more than 10,000 emails. Okay, so you'll get more than 10,000 emails. Actually, it's more than 20,000. Okay, but you have to leave this software open for some time. Once you go and extract emails, you can verify those emails, and you can also send bulk emails using this same software out here. Okay, so now if you do not have a product to promote, just head over to digistore24.com, or you can also head over to clickbank.com. okay, Clickbank sometimes do not accept new users, so if you are a newbie, you can just go and go to digistore24.com, and you can go and find lots of products. Okay, so there are a lot of niches out here. I personally choose internet marketing and e-business niche because we are working on work at home or online jobs. Okay, so you can see that the emails are starting to get extracted here. Now there are hundreds of products out here, okay, which you can promote. Okay, so you can see out here this product. Okay, so you get $432.68, okay, per sale. Okay, so this product actually, okay, so let's just go back, sorry. So it costs $769, and you'll get 50% commission when you go and sell this product. Similarly, tube mastery monetization by Martpar. Okay, so you can see out here that you will earn $210 per sale. Okay, so when you are sending emails to these people, these are highly targeted emails, and remember, once you go and extract emails, you can always go and remove all the duplicate emails, remove company emails. You just want personal emails. Okay, but for that you need to let the software extract emails for a long time. Okay, that means like 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so you can just minimize it and just work on something else. Okay, so whatever you are busy in. Okay, or you can just leave this your system, laptop, computer open, and just go out and come, and you will get like 10,000, 20,000 emails. Okay, so yeah, there are lots of products out here to promote. Okay, so now if you go and get this email extractor, make sure you get the studio version of this email extractor, because you need the email verify tool to verify emails, to remove all the duplicate and fake emails, and you also want to send bulk emails using this software. Okay, so make sure that you go and get the studio version. Okay, so if you want to get only email extractor version, now if you want to get this software, just head over to topemailextractor.com. Okay, so whenever you go to topemailextractor.com, you'll be taken to this page. Okay, so now in order to get this email extractor, you just have to click this button and go to the email extractor software and go and get the studio version. Okay, so just get the studio, the business version. It's the best version. Okay, so make sure you get the email extractor. Now many of you do not want to extract emails, do not want to verify emails, do not want to go and start emailing them. Okay, so you may not have that quality writing skills. Okay, so that means you may not be a copywriter. Okay, so that's absolutely okay. Okay, so first of all, when you are extracting emails and you are sending emails, okay, so if you go to this affiliate support page out here, for every products you may get 10 to 15 emails. Okay, so but that's not enough. Okay, because when you are promoting a product, okay, so when you are promoting a product, you have to send a lot of emails to go and get sales. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a funnel. Okay, so you need to create a funnel, you need to collect emails, then you need to follow up with emails to get sales. Okay, because people won't just go and buy your product because you are sending cold emails. Okay, so you are just extracting emails and sending emails, so it will take some time. Okay, but I have a solution for you to make money faster. Okay, so you do not want to continue sending emails one by one. Okay, I have a solution for you. Okay, so now this is the done for you system. Okay, so now what is this done for you system? Okay, I partnered with Limore to go and give you this opportunity. This is the done for you emails, sorry, system. Just go and click here. Okay, when you come to top email extractor, just go and click here, but I'll give you an overview of what you'll get out here. Okay, so all the details will be in this link. I won't be going one by one because it will take a lot of time. Okay, so just you can just go and watch the video. Okay, so what you'll get, I'll just give you a gist of it. You will get 1000 emails. Okay, you'll get 1000 emails that are ready to be sent every single day. Okay, to the person you just the email extracted. Okay, so when you're sending emails, 1000 emails will be sent, but there's a even better offer. Okay, so your system will, everything will be done for you. Okay, so that means you'll get the funnels, you'll get all those products that are getting a lot of sales. Okay, so that means you'll get already tested offers. Okay, so if you go to digital, there are hundreds of offers. You do not know, sometimes this offer goes and convert good, sometimes this offer. Okay, so it's really, you have to test a lot. Okay, but with this system you'll get everything done for you. That means the funnel will be ready for you to promote, and the emails, 1000 emails will be ready for you to promote, so that you can get sales again and again. Okay, we'll be promoting a lot of products out here. And above that, okay, so if you just go if you just upgrade to the buyer list email, okay, you don't even have to buy this email extractor. Okay, so you can also send emails to the buyer list of Limore's email list. Okay, that means those lists are people who have bought something from him. Okay, so and those are the best ways to get fast income. Okay, so you can get the fast sales. Okay, so when you are promoting an offer to the buyer list, okay, so those people already have a credit card or PayPal and they are ready to buy. Okay, so just go and check this out. Okay, so the entire system will be done for you out here. Okay, so you just have to send traffic to it. Now you can send traffic from this email extractor, and if you do not want to send traffic from email extractor, just go here. Okay, do not buy this email extractor before going and watching this video in this link. Okay, because if you go and watch this video, you'll know what I'm talking about. And if you want the traffic and the done for you system, everything, you can go and get it. Okay, now if you just want email extractor and done for you system, that's also okay. But if you want that traffic also that converts, okay, that's the quality I'm trying to show to you. Okay, that means you have to nurture a lot when you are just getting an email extractor. Okay, so the 1000 email swipes will give you a lot of sales. Okay, but if you want to earn fast, okay, so just go here and just watch the video and try to get the second option. Okay, so these two things are very, very awesome. Okay, now you can see out here, I also people are always messaging me for asking me for the best coaching program, for the best ways to make money online. Okay, now I've done all the research, I've taken coaching from both of these guys. Okay, so number one is coaching by Jonathan, and you can easily make $500 per day using this system. Okay, so now this system you can promote more than 15 softwares. Okay, so there's, you'll also get recurring income. Okay, so once you go and just go and get the initial version of this guide. Okay, that means it will just cost you $9. Okay, and plus $27, I think. Okay, now they have increased a lot, increased a bit, because they have a one-time offer. Okay, so if you want to go for the $9 plus get that $27 stuff. Okay, so if you want to get coaching by Jonathan Montoya, okay, everything is also done for you. Okay, you can promote a lot of, you just have to change the affiliate links and you'll start making money in autopilot. Okay, so you'll start making money here and there. Okay, so this is one system that I highly recommend. Okay, so make sure you go and get the upgrades, because you want to promote all those offers, you want all those email swipes, and you will get direct access to Jonathan. He also does coaching or weekly calls. Okay, so everything is there. Okay, so this is something I highly recommend. Okay, and second coaching program is by Adil Chaudhary. Okay, and you can make $3,000 per day using his method. Okay, so just go and watch this webinar. Okay, so this is a webinar where he will show you his earnings. Okay, so all his earnings. Okay, so if you just go on Warrior From or JVZoo or ClickBank, okay, so the top earners, okay, his list is on the top earners for a lot of products. Okay, so whenever he promotes, okay, he gets a lot of sales, and he will teach you each and everything. Okay, he will teach you each and everything about his methods and how to make money, how to snowball, how to use this snowball effect and make money in the long run. Okay, so this coaching is a bit costly than this. Okay, but this coaching is your ultimate goal. Okay, so you can start from here. Okay, so you can start investing from here and getting this done for you system and make money. Okay, so make at least $200 to $500 every single day, and after that you can go out here and take Jonathan's program and Adil's program. Okay, if you have that budget, okay, you can just watch this webinar. Okay, so this guy, I don't know what to say. Okay, so he's genius. Okay, so this is something that you must have on your arsenal. Okay, so this coaching, you need it. Okay, you really need it. Okay, so now these are something that I wanted to tell you, and if you have more questions, you can just DM me. Okay, so if you want to ask about Jonathan or Adil, okay, so I'll also give you their support link where you can just go and talk to them directly. Okay, so this is it, guys. Just go to Top Email Extractor, go and get this email extractor software, go and get this done for you system, and if you have the budget, just go with this coaching program by this too. Okay, so there are hundreds and thousands of coaching programs, okay, so which you'll see on the internet, but you need people that will work for you. Okay, that means these people have worked really hard to make this course. Okay, so all those videos and everything. Okay, so they want you to succeed. Okay, these two people want you to succeed, and they will succeed themselves also. Okay, so they will take their students along with them. Okay, so this is the beauty of these two guys. Okay, so they are awesome. Okay, so this email extractor, so if you just continue to extract emails, okay, so I'll just stop it. Okay, for now I'll just show you the other things of this software. Okay, so this email extractor software, in order to get this email extractor software, just go verify this extracted emails. Okay, so in order to go and get this software, go to topemailextractor.com and get this email extractor. And remember, they have discount from time to time, so just when you go and see a discount, okay, so they normally give 25 to 50% discount. I think right now, as of today, they are giving 50% discount, so go and grab this opportunity. Okay, so even if the discount is not available, I highly recommend you to go and grab the opportunity as soon as possible. Okay, so now you can see all these emails. Okay, so now in order to verify, you can verify by domain or by syntax. Okay, so whether you want to verify by domain or by syntax or verify email address, okay, so you can do that. Okay, you just have to click this start button. Okay, but I just validate it for now, okay, because I want to show other features. Okay, so now let's go, and they also have a list manager. Okay, so when you are extracting a lot of emails, 10,000 20,000 emails, you need list manager to manage your list. Okay, you can sort your list according to, you do not have to go with only make money online niche. Okay, so there are health niches out there, there are other gaming niches which you can go into and test. Okay, yeah. And lastly, this is the bulk email sender software. Okay, so now for this method to work, okay, so the bulk email sender software, in order to go and send emails, do not direct link your offers. Okay, so I'm telling you again, do not direct link your offers. Okay, so whenever you are promoting an offer from ClickBank or let's say Digital 24, okay, so when you copy this your link, okay, so out here, so once you go and copy your link, this will be, you can see promo link has been copied. Okay, so you have to come to this software and let's go. Okay, so this is the bulk email sender. Okay, so now there are also a lot of templates which you can use. Okay, so let's go up. Okay, so you can use these templates. Okay, but I like to send normal text emails. Okay, because that converts a lot. Okay, so you just have to delete it and write your email out here, write your subject line, and you can just save it, test it, send, schedule. Okay, so all those recipients which we added, okay, so all those 36 recipients are here. Of course, whichever product you are promoting, okay, so you can just go and find emails of those products on this affiliate support page out here, or if you go with this done for you system, you'll get 1,000 emails ready to be sent. Okay, so you can start sending emails. Okay, so you can blacklist. Okay, so you can also check for spam, you can track everything out here. Okay, so I got comments on why I'm not giving a demo of sending an email. Okay, so now sending an email, you just have to write the subject out here, just write your email copy out here and click the send button. Okay, so now what's there to give you a demo about? Okay, because for this demo I'm not using any campaigns. Okay, of course I do not want to show my own campaigns, my own emails. Okay, so the done for you system, the products I'm promoting. Okay, so I have my own personal choices. Okay, so this done for you system, if you go and get the system, you'll get all the products that I promote, you'll get all the emails that I use, you'll get all the funnels that I'm using. Okay, so everything will be out here, okay, in this done for you system. Okay, so go and get it. Okay, so go and get it, just invest in yourself. Okay, and it will come back to you. Okay, the money you invest will come back to you, because this is something I highly recommend. Okay, so these things and this coaching part are something, this first one, email extractor, I may not recommend fully, because people go and extract emails and they do not know what they do not take this done for you system. Okay, they just go and try write their own emails. Okay, they sometimes they make a lot of spelling mistakes, their English are not of top notch. Okay, so you need a native English writers. I'm not an native English speaker myself. Okay, so I went with this done for you system. They do not know how to create funnels. Okay, so and that's of no use. Okay, so you'll waste your money. Okay, so just going and buying this email extractor. Now if you are on a budget, don't go with this. Okay, just go only with this done for you system, but take the second option and go and start making money. Okay, so that's all I want to recommend. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. Make sure to go to topemailextractor.com and start making money from today. Bye bye.